Hi everybody, today I will demonstrate maxillary first molar tooth preparation. While doing the preparation, we must know why we are doing it and we must prepare the tooth accordingly. The things we should pay attention are not leaving undercuts, the location and shape of the bevel, to make a smooth preparation as possible, avoid damaging neighboring teeth and gum tissue, not leaving any sharp corners. We start by placing the automatic band to the neighboring teeth. The aim of placing the matrix band is to protect the adjacent teeth while the reduction of the axial walls during preparation. First, I open 2 or 3 guiding grooves on the buccal face with a chamfer burr. After opening the grooves, I paint the deepest points with a pencil. The purpose of doing this is not to lose the absolute preparation depth. If I lose the pencil stain completely, then it means I increase the depth involuntarily. Later, as we can see in the video, I insert my flame end bar for the removal of the axial walls. While removing this area, I move the bar slowly back from the buccal to palatinal. Even if the matrix band is placed, if you move the bar uncontrolled, you may damage the adjacent tooth. When I think I made enough space, I insert the chamfer bar. I continue my step from the axial to the palatinal. We want straight and aligned steps, not separated steps. We align the step on the palatinal and make preparations on the axial walls. When my preparation on the gum level and on the axial walls are complete, I continue from the palatinal face. I form guiding grooves on the palatinal similar to the ones I formed on the buccal face. Then I join these grooves and form the step on the palatinal side. Later, I continue from the occlusal surface. I open guiding grooves on the buccal and palatinal fossas at each cusp level. I join these grooves with a pear-shaped burr. The functional cusp is the palatinal cusp, so I form a 45 degrees inclination on the palatinal cusp, which is the bevel. I also correct the buccal cusp. Later, I used the green banded taper chamfer burr to make arrangements on all the preparation surfaces and to form the taper. Finally, I make the corrections with a red banded burr. While making the corrections, I form a plus shape on the occlusal surface and correct my preparation while protecting the cusp forms. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video.